If you've been hearing about Retell AI and wondering what it actually does, this beginner's guide will give you the full picture. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Retell AI is, how it works, and whether it could be useful for your business or personal projects. Stick around and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech guides. Retell AI is an advanced artificial intelligence platform that creates human-like voice agents for businesses. Unlike simple automated answering systems, Retell AI uses AI to simulate natural conversations. This means it can understand context, handle interruptions, and respond in ways that feel more like talking to a real person. It's designed to help businesses automate repetitive tasks such as lead qualification, appointment scheduling, customer support, and answering frequently asked questions, all without requiring additional staff. The platform works by combining AI voice synthesis with natural language processing, allowing your AI agent to carry out conversations in real time. Users can create scripts or prompts, train the AI on specific business information, and even adjust the tone and style of the voice to match their brand. Retell AI can be used over phone calls or online chat, making it versatile for different customer communication channels. One of the key benefits is efficiency. Businesses using Retell AI can handle more calls or inquiries simultaneously, reduce wait times, and ensure consistent responses. It's particularly useful for startups, small businesses, or teams with limited staff who want to maintain professional communication without hiring extra personnel. However, it's worth noting that there's a learning curve, and setup can be more technical compared to simpler tools. Cost is also based on usage, so businesses with high call volumes need to plan accordingly. In short, Retell AI is an AI-driven solution for automating human-like interactions. If you want to save time, scale your customer support, or experiment with AI agents, it's a platform worth exploring. If this guide helped you understand Retell AI, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching.